Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Auburn, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we can help you migrate your items highway, locally, or interstate. We have a decent working relationship with the government and civil authorities that directs the whole moving interaction. We have our clients' belongings covered with insurance plans, and the insurance covers these belongings during the entire process of relocation. We have a group of the most committed movers and drivers who are devoted to securely moving your assets to their destination. Each service we provide is efficient and affordable, so you will not need to stress about us cheating you. It is more affordable to move your belongings locally than it is to move them long distances. We have the most reasonable rates, with local moves costing between $30 and $40 hourly. Every one of our movers is authorized and committed to giving you enough value for your money. We have insight into busy areas and cities, so moving your effects will not be an issue. With the assistance of our local movers, you can likewise design out the migration interaction. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Auburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.